Hey, how's it going? This is Martin Ross, and today we're bringing it down with Jacquees' Verify. So before we get into it, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so that way you get notifications straight to your mobile device. Also, check the links in the description. I do have my sound libraries available, so if you like what you hear in these remakes, they're available. Again, links are all in the description. Let's get into it. So today we're doing Verify by Jacquees. I'm doing it at 170 beats per minute. What we like to call this is halftime. So we're playing at a fast tempo, but playing at half the speed. 90s music used to do that all the time. So let's get into it. So let's start with the nylons. So the nylon guitar, we're going to do B, D sharp, B, C sharp, B, E, C, E, hit that octave B, repeat that again. So B, D sharp, B, C sharp, B, E, C, E. We're going to loop it one more time. We're going to do, again, B, D sharp, but then we're going to add the F sharp now. Then we're going to go to B, C sharp. Then we have B, E, C, E. We start it all over again. So I'll play it real quick to get an idea. So let's hear what that sounds like. So to make it fuller, I added another guitar. So I added more of a detuned guitar to make it more fuller. So let's hear what both of them sound like. Again, same exact notes. All right, for the drums, very, very basic drums. I'm going to do a 4-bar loop. I got claps on the 3. Again, when you're in halftime, you'll put your claps on the 3. I have 16th and 32nd hi-hats, along with some percussions and some rim shots. We get those studded rim shots that everybody hears. Our kicks are very basic. It's you know, 1 on the downbeat. Then we got 8ths and some 16ths. So let's hear what that sounds like. All right. Okay, finally now is the subs. The subs is following the kicks. It's literally just going along with the kicks. I'm using B, I'm using C sharp and E. That's it. So let's hear what that sounds like solo. All right, and those are all the pieces, but before we play it, just a heads up, the song does have a vinyl warp on there, so that with the vinyl warp, it does detune the sounds altogether. So this is just a clean playthrough, so let's hear it. That's Jacquees' Verify. I hope you enjoyed what you liked. If you like those samples, check out my sample library, Zource Bangers and Zource Vibes. They're all in the description. The links are there for you to click on. If you enjoy my beat remakes, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you get instant notifications. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments. Also, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Martin Ross. Take care.